Welcome to my channel. You are watching Through My Eyes Beauty. We have this classic black smoky eye with 2 lip options. Let's get started.
Artful snippet. 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 Artful snippet.
Just popping in really quickly just to let you all know that if this is your first time doing a smoky eye of this magnitude, mostly a black smoky eye, I slowed this down a little bit because I want you all to understand that there is a lot of adding and taking away, adding and blending and taking away and adding and blending. So if this part starts to seem a little bit redundant to you, it's just because I really wanted you all to see the amount of work, the amount of effort, the amount of blending that it took for this to be seamless. So going in with black, going in with the brown and that cream shade over and over again is what gives you that seamless blend. And don't get discouraged. Just add, blend as much as you see fit to get your desired look. Lastly, just to be clear, you do not have to use these products in order to achieve this look. Any black, any brown, any cream eyeshadow will do just fine. All right, don't let anybody make y'all feel like you have to go out and buy all of these products. Some products do work better than others, but you don't have to spend $1 million to be cute. Okay, just to let you know.
Artful snippet. 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 Artful snippet.
All right, and that concludes this video. Quick, easy, smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, and also check out my social media. See you later.